uze nothando and understanding, ungajaji. Uyabonakala umehluko, even ne-universe noNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi wena awuziphakamisi, awuzenzi sengathi nawe unamandla ngaphezulu kwendalo, because lezi zinto ze-consciousness, i-evolution, ama-vibrations and energy, lezo zinto izinto zendalo, izinto ezidaliwe kwalona idlozi lidalwe yilezo zinto. Umuntu ubekwa kwile soul path because kusuke kufanele ukuthi a-achieve something ngale soul yakhe in this lifetime. Lo muntu isoul yakhe ichoose indawo azozalela kuyona, ichoose abazali, ichoose ama-life experiences. You'll be surprised ukuthi ize ichoose ney'nkinga zedlozi azohlangabezana nazo, which means lezi inkinga ohlangabezana nazo wena zasedlozini, indlela ozelapha ngayo lezo zinkinga is predetermined by isoul yakho. If inkinga yedlozi usayilapha ngemethod ekanje nakanje nakanje wena, it is because that thing is predetermined for you. When abanye abantu beyilapha ngenye indlela kodwa wena uyilapha ngale ndlela, and no one is going to judge you okwakho lokho ukuthi wena uthathe siphi isinqumo nesinyathelo in terms of sorting out ama-ancestral problems akho okwakho lokho, because it has something to do with your soul. So it's the same thing with these young kids ke manje, ama-soul abo, because azoqeda ama-limiting belief systems lawa thina sawamukela kalula ezabazali, azoqeda izinto esizenzayo ezingasisi phambili, azotransforma umhlaba, because already umhlaba usushintshile, already sesi-elevateile manje, sesi-awake singabantu. Bona bavele bafike bangena kalula i-transition, bafike ivele isiqalile siyenzeka. So it was normal to them ukuthi bathi beqala bevula umlomo babe bekhuluma izinto ezi-progressive, thina saqale salalela, safuna ukuholwa kuleyo